Ever watch something and think, what was the point of that? It's because it didn't have a clear central message. Think about the movie The Lion King. Guess what? It's not about lions. The message is about finding your place in the world. Every scene, every song, every bit of that animation reinforces the exact same central message. Researchers at Harvard Business Review discovered that people are 22 times more likely to retain a story if it all centers around the same central message. Without it, people don't remember anything. So how do you make sure your story is going to resonate? First, ask yourself the question, what do I want my audience to take away from this? Next, make sure everything revolves around that, your words, your tone, your visuals. And then, if any idea doesn't support that central message, cut it out and eliminate it. If you're ready to tell stories that resonate, book a free coaching session with us today, and we can help you refine that message so that people actually hear what you have to say.